Stand up and the dance
I keep in shape and do my physical fitness. Your head's a numb so your brains have missed this. Pick 'em up, eat 'em up, pick 'em up, eat 'em up, pick 'em up. Picklehead, pick 'em up, picky. I roll with clouds and I come real sticky. Gripping the mic, I plug it up in your ears, poison brood. I'm coming out like beers, like Rango. Miller Courts and Buzz, I'ma eat 'em with popcorn and treat 'em like suds, you duds. Coming out the wick, whack, wiggy, wiggable whack, black, jack, that's a fact, right and exact behind your back. The funk rhyming master, blaster, kicking up in a brainstorm, rainstorm, rap storm, rap form, rap time, rap rhyme, rap class. I'm here to fail and pass to continue. Furthermore, on the hype tip, I roll and rock and roll, jazz and pop, rhythm and blues, dance and fusion, brain confusion. Look at the lights, what a night on the town. I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. Now I'm back to funk, freak the funk, hype the funk, swipe the funk and all that junk. I get busy on them, communicate with the world, man, woman, a baby boy and a girl. Papa Large, looking out the bombs drop. Take a stride while you're facing arms drop. Stop, look, learn to read, learn to write, learn to talk, learn to walk, and watch your step though. I'm hyping right though, a kleptomaniac, a rhyming psycho, Enrique Ricardo, a guy Lombardo, I'm sporting a rag top, an El Dorado. Stepping to Hollywood, I swing in the boulevard. The rhymes the game type, I'm ready to pull a card. Jack or ace, king or queen, call me the deuce. I'm pouring out like juice, hitting the top, filling the rim, getting the trim. I never rhyme like them. On and on, on and on, on and on. Until the break of dawn, I go overtime. Rock the mic at nighttime. Daytime, switching off the prime time. Pacific East flowing back in the West time. Ride the funk with the mic in the East rhyme. Hype and dope, hype and flame, the mic is smoking. Yo, I ain't joking. Rhyme to kill, rhyme to murder, rhyme to stomp, rhyme to ill, rhyme to rock, rhyme to smack, rhyme to shock, rhyme to roll, rhyme to destroy any decoy boy. On the microphone, I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. You drippin' sweaty, coming hard on your neck as I flow and grow from head to toe, seeking a style like John McEnroe. Listen to more, serving it with the mic stand like Prince and Michael, coming out with a big band. The crowd is loud, you can play as the manager. Run with the money, I pull a trigger and damage her. Kaboom! Take it light but serious. I may sound lyrical and very mysterious. Rhymes to grip tight, programmed to kill more. I'm Son of Sam, or could I be Gilmore? Grabbing the mic, you see the darkest shadow. You in living hell without time to battle with the funk igniting, hands erotic, brain dividing. I'm coming out exotic like I'm Blackula, a better man than Dracula. Spectacular and not your regular. In fact, you are speaking of popular. Rhymes are moving, they can't be stopped to the beat as it goes to the rhyme that flows like a coconut straw burning up in your nose. That's a bad habit. Stepping out on stage one, drop the mic, come and turn to page one. Look at the master, my rank is higher. With lyrical burns, your brain's on fire. Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. Yo, I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. Yo, I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. Yo, I'm Papa Large, big shot on the East Coast. Yo, I'm Papa Large,